Cooking phrases in English. Cooking from scratch. Meaning: to prepare a dish using basic ingredients rather than prepackaged or processed foods. For example, I prefer to cook from scratch because it allows me to control the ingredients. For example, cooking from scratch requires more time, but the homemade flavors are worth the effort. Cooking utensils. Meaning: tools used in the process of cooking. For example, make sure you have all the necessary cooking utensils before you start cooking. Cooking time. Meaning: the duration required for a dish to be fully cooked. For example, the cooking time for the roast chicken is approximately 1 hour. Cooking techniques. Meaning: various methods or skills used in preparing food. For example, learn various cooking techniques to enhance your culinary skills. Cooking methods. Meaning: various techniques and processes used in the preparation of food. For example, we use different cooking methods for preparing a variety of dishes. Cooking is an art. Meaning: the idea that cooking involves creativity and skill. For example, some people see cooking as a chore, but for me, it's an art where I can express myself through flavors. Cooking experiment. Meaning: try out new recipes or ingredients to discover different flavors. For example, I enjoy cooking experiments, especially with pizza. Cooking temperature. Meaning: the level of heat required for a specific cooking process. For example, maintain a medium cooking temperature for even browning. Cooking instructions. Meaning: step-by-step guidance on how to prepare a particular dish. For example, I always check the cooking instructions before trying a new recipe. Fill in the blanks. 1. Make sure you have the necessary before starting the recipe. 2. Learning different can enhance your culinary abilities. 3. Follow the on the package for the best results. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.